Hey, my name's James Nicholson, and if you're watching this video, you want to know about applying for a recovery loan scheme loan with Skipton's. Now, that I'm going to cover in this video. I'm going to go through the pros, the cons, and everything in between. So make sure you watch this video to the end. I've also got a very special free gift that I want to give you at the end of this video, so do stick to the end. Now, I'm going to assume something here that, look, if you're typing that sort of stuff into YouTube or Google, there's a high probability that you're a coach, a consultant, an entrepreneur, or a business owner of some kind. Am I right? Good. Well, this channel is made for people like you. I've got tons of free content every single day, and it lays out how you can use my business accelerator methodology to generate thousands and thousands of leads into your business and many hundreds of thousands of pounds in sales. I've used it to generate tens of millions of pounds in sales. My clients have used it to generate many hundreds of millions of pounds in sales. So while you're here, and before you get lost but with the next video at the end, make sure you hit the subscribe button and press that bell notification, because this video is really going to serve you and help you grow your business. And if you could do me a favor while you're here, smash the like button so it turns blue. That helps me with the YouTube algorithm. So let's talk about this recovery loan scheme. What is it? Well, you might remember, maybe you've had one, or you at least have heard of them. There were two schemes over the last year that have really helped support business owners and entrepreneurs like you. Firstly was the Sybil scheme. And so the Sybil scheme was bigger loans of 50 grand to up to many, many millions of pounds. And that was aimed at medium and large business owners. And that helped get them through the pandemic. Now, what was more successful was something called the Bounce Back Loan Scheme. And the Bounce Back Loan Scheme was focused on small and medium-sized businesses. And the loans were from £2,000 up to £50,000. And the reason they worked so well was how quickly and easily most people got the money. I say most because not everybody did, but most people got that money fairly easily. Now, the reason for that was that the government backed 100% of the loan. So what I mean by that was, if you borrowed 50 grand and your business didn't work out, the government would pay the bank back. And so there's very little risk for that bank. Very little risk. And so they would loan very quick and fast to entrepreneurs and business owners just like you. And so that was an incredibly efficient scheme. It was really, really, really powerful. Now, this scheme is not quite as good, but it's still very good for business owners. So the recovery loan scheme loans are from 25 grand up to £2 million, and they are guaranteed up to 80%. So they're guaranteed up to 80%. So if you took 100 grand and didn't pay it back, the bank would get back 80,000 and lose 20,000 potentially, right? And so what that means is that the banks are going to be slightly less flowing with the money. There's going to be a few more hoops to jump through. So prior to applying with Skipton's or anybody, here's a few things that I want you to look at getting sorted to give yourself the best chance to get this loan. Firstly is go and check on Companies House that your annual return has been filled in. If you don't know what that is, go and ask your accountant. Next, make sure your accounts are up to date, right? And so if they need to be submitted, submit them. Or submit them early if you finish the year. Don't wait till the last minute to submit them. Get them in, and so the bank has something that they can work off, some figures that they can work off, right? Now, if you're a newer business and you don't have that, just get accounts up to where you're currently at, and you can provide forecasts and all of that sort of stuff to the bank and a business plan on where you think the business is going to go. But get yourself organized. This isn't just going to be like the bounce back loans where you click in your online banking, say how much money you want, and the next day you've got loads of cash in the bank. It's not. So you need to get more organized. So who should be applying with Skipton's? Well, the people that should be applying are people that have already got a relationship. So if that's your current business bank, then you should be applying with them, because what that means is that it will get processed faster. So you can log into your internet banking, you can get everything sorted, and very quickly you can get that money into your account. Now, what I have noticed with this scheme is there are actually less lenders this time round than when we had the recovery loan scheme. And so what that means is we need to, some of us, go with a new bank, right? So if your bank doesn't have this scheme at the moment, they might get it in the future, but if you need the money now, then you need to look at applying with other banks. And Skipton is a great option for you to go apply to get a business account, get the relationship with them, and then apply for the recovery loan scheme, right? And you can do that in weeks. It's not going to take months and months and months and months and months to do that. So first people are going to be the people that have already got an account. Second is those people that their bank currently doesn't offer this scheme. Now, I hope you found that useful. And don't leave, because I've got a special offer that I want to give you, a free gift that I want to give you. But do me a favour, if any comments, questions, or anything like that, comment below, hit the like button, make sure you subscribe. You don't want to miss out on future content. And look, as I said, I've got a free gift for you. And I want to give you a copy of my new book, Expert Mastery. This book has helped thousands of entrepreneurs just like you to grow a business. It lays out my business accelerator methodology, and I want to gift you a free copy of this book. Now, in the description of this video is a link, and if you click on the link, you can go and fill in your details, and we'll ship that book out to you in the next few days. Now, there is a catch, because there's always a catch, and you're wondering what the catch is. Well, the catch is you're going to pay a couple of pounds for the shipping, and I'm going to pay for the book. So we're going halves on this, right? It's a couple of pounds to invest in using a methodology that has been used by thousands of my students to get and keep customers using the internet. So you've got nothing to lose, guys. So go and do that now. Click on that link. And if you didn't do it already, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment below. Do all that stuff. Let's get to know each other. Let's build a relationship. Go and get your recovery loan scheme loan. I can't wait for you to get that and get your business back on track. And let's finish this year strong, guys. That's it from me. I've been James Nicholson. Thank you for watching to the end. I'll see you guys very, very soon. Bye for now.